136. Our parking position is Terminal 1 Gate 4 with the information request clearance.
Italia 6136.
Roger.
Runway 30. Cleared to destination airport via the ELL Oscar Whiskey 1 departure. And then as filed, climb to 6,000. Expect flight level 250, then 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency is 131.7. Squawk 3122. QNH 1018.
Cleared it. YML by the ELL Oscar Whiskey 1. Climb and maintain 6,000. Flight level 250 within 10 minutes after departure. Departure on 131.7. Squawk 3122. Alitalia 6136.
Italia 6136. Read back correct. Contact ground on 124.55.
Roger, 124.55. Alitalia 6136.
Metric 43, proceed to Sierra. ET639, taxi uniform, only point Alpha 2.
Okay, I'm heading up to do the walking.
Proceed to Sierra.
Yes, you can start the boarding.
Great.
Turn check.
Pre-flight brief.
Complete.
Complete. External check.
Complete.
Complete. Pressurization.
Set.
Cabin signs.
On.
Check the seatbelt and no smoking signs. Oxygen.
Check.
ET639,
Check.
taxi uniform,
Cargo
only
smoke
point
on
Alpha
fire.
2.
Test.
Parking brake.
Thank you, 639. On.
Clearance brief.
Complete.
Complete. FMS and radios.
Set.
Set. Turn check complete.
Today. As you locate your seats, please place your smaller items under your seats in front of you to provide more room for larger items in the overhead bins. If you need assistance with it, please contact one of our flight attendants. If you are unable to accommodate any item in the cabin, please bring it to the boarding door and we will check it for you. We also request that you review the safety instruction in your seat buckets. If you are seated in an exit seat, also review the exit seating criteria.
Direct Bay, just crossing the control zone boundary now, no height restriction. Yeah, no further height restrictions on 740. And 40 might report passing 2,500 feet. 440.
Ground Alitalia 6136. Request startup and pushback.
Alitalia 6136. Startup and pushback approved.
Roger, Alitalia 6136.
If you are traveling with someone who needs your assistance, place the air mask on yourself first and then assist others.
Hey Captain, cabin is ready to go.
Thank you. Just let me know if you need anything. Before start check.
Stand by. Aircraft lock and release.
Checked.
Gear pings.
Slowed.
Beacons, navs.
On.
Fuel.
4885 pounds on board. Checked.
4885 Pounce on board.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, on behalf of myself and the crew, I would like to welcome you on board our flight today. We are now fully ready. I will start our engines as soon as we get the clearance from the tower. As soon as we are established at our cruising level, I will speak to you again. Meanwhile, I ask you to comply with all the safety instructions given by the cabin crew. I wish you a nice flight. Thank you.
Parking stand 11.
Next right, Victor, 11:45.
Locking gear.
027 Victor Foxtrot, contact Manchester 124.2 by.
142, 027 Victor Foxtrot, goodbye.
Tap 25 there, clear takeoff, 210 degrees 19.
Departure check completed. Live has been inserted. Release parking brakes. Commencing push. All engines clear. Start that wheel.
Vacate right into the apron at Victor, parking stand 5.
Victor, stand 5, 448.
Not approved. Temperatures at 9. The QNX is 1009, runway 27.
Set parking brakes. Unlocking gear. Tow truck disconnected. Live has been removed.
Tombstone 40 Mike, vacate next right, into the apron at Victor, parking stand 8.
Is clear. Right is clear. Clear to start engines.
Cleared over the height restrictions on turn 4 so that report past 2,500. Still go 4
System test, okay.
Ground Alitalia 6136, request taxi.
Alitalia 6136. Taxi via Alpha 4X1 to runway 30.
Tower Alitalia 6136. That's runway 30. Request takeoff.
Alitalia 6136. Line up on runway 30.
Lining up to runway 30. Alitalia 6136.
Departure check.
Traffic.
Flight controls.
Free.
Topwise test. Transponder on. The line.
Cleared for takeoff.
Ignition and rise.
Normal off.
Flows 3. Condition levers. Flight. Departure check.
Time 911, contact under Melbourne, decimal N2, bye-bye.
Melbourne, decimal N2, 911, goodbye.
Channel 716, takeoff 27 right, slot 18, 23014 knots.
Cloning for Locker.
Service with this.
Set powers.
FSX 762 off for departing F27, runway 27, line up.
Power set. Watch the EDT. $70 knots.
80 knots. V1. Rotate 2.
V1 rotate.
Positive rate, gear up.
Positive rate, gear up.
Positive climb.
Gear up.
40 Mike, clear climb, 260 degrees, 27. Clear land, 40 Mike.
Departure Alitalia 6136. With you, passing 2,400 for 6,000.
Alitalia 6136. Radar contact. Continue via the Echo Lima Oscar Whiskey 1 departure. Climb and maintain. Flight level 160.
Cleared by EL Oscar Whiskey 1 departure. Climbing to flight level 160. Alitalia 6136.
Flaps up. After takeoff check.
Flaps up and stand by for the checklist. Check the flaps. After takeoff check complete. Check the speed. Minimum speed is 170 knots.
Expedite climb to 9,000.
Expediting climb to 9,000, 1940.
Thank you, 10 today. Continue on the heading, channel 554.
Alitalia 6136, request 8,000.
Alitalia 6136. Maintain present altitude.
Present altitude. Alitalia 6136.
Sink rate.
500.
Sink rate.
Approaching minimum.
Sink rate.
Minimum.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
10.